welcome back to this channel. In this channel, what do we talk about?
Stuff that related with money.
What's it?
Couple finance, real estate, investing, money, what we do personally, how we deal with when it comes to money as a couple.
Yeah, as a family.
As a family, yeah.
Yeah.
So in today's topic, we're going to talk about financial security. What does it mean? So apparently, financial security refers to a peace of mind when you feel that you aren't worried about your income being enough to cover your expenses. It also means that you have enough money saved to cover emergencies and your future financial goal.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what the definition is. I just Googled that. I'm sure you can Google it yourself. But what does it really mean individually for you guys? But for us, what is financial security?
Yeah, like what the Google said. Right. But at one stage, we were not secure about our finance, right? Day and night couldn't sleep. Day and night tried
Especially me.
Yes, little things that we try to increase our income to cover all our expenses.
Yeah.
That was stressful, and just today, what's today's day? 2nd of October, I was reading the news about finance. ABS did a survey in Australia. Before it was 2019, before COVID-19 hit us. 1 in 5 Australian household, or I think it's household, they cannot come up with $2,000 as emergency. It shocked me. It really shocked me.
Yeah.
Even when we were in our trouble time, right? We can come up with that.
With
And
$2,000.
we were stressful already.
Yeah.
How stressful will people be? They cannot even come up $2,000.
Yeah, I can only imagine.
I cannot.
Like the
at
stress
all.
level. We had, I think it was about 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
We
had
were
about
stressful
that,
already.
At 10,000 with four multi-fee in our saving account, in our emergency fund, let's say.
We were not in debt no.
I was stressful having 10,000.
because we had properties to serve.
So
That's the big expense.
the topic was almost 20% of Australians can't rustle up a dough which higher proportionally in the past. Oh, okay.
That's
Sorry.
not topic.
Sorry,
Yeah.
the topic is survey revealed 20% of Aussie can't afford $2,000 in an emergency. So
It includes if they try to get a credit card, they cannot. They get a friend to borrow the money, they cannot.
yeah,
But I'm not looking for those options. I'm just looking at, can I come up? Can I have $2,000 in my bank? So if their fridge broke down or they had a car accident, they cannot
as an emergency.
do anything.
Just as an emergency in general.
Yes.
A bill show up that wasn't that you thought expected coming.
Yes.
So those things.
The shocking thing is before COVID-19.
I can only imagine now that like, during COVID, where there's a lot
More
of people that
people
is going to
out
lose
of
a job.
Been eating their savings.
Yeah, and this comes down to having multiple stream of income as well. It give you foundation to have that security.
Yes.
That was the reason why I wanted to have multiple stream of income.
We don't have to worry about losing our job.
Yeah.
We don't like to have all our money
In one
or
basket.
skill
Yeah.
in one basket.
Yeah, so that's why financial security to me means I can do what I want and when I want.
And we can sleep through the night without worry tomorrow if we have to
Yeah.
pay some emergency fund. Of course, no one wants it, but at least it's a peace of mind.
Yeah, like I remember how stressful it could be.
Yeah.
Like if you're in those shoes, I know there's a way out. So yeah, maybe contacting us, maybe we'll see if we can help you out in any way, or form, because it's not something that has been taught to anyone.
No.
It's the experience, the anxiety, the stress level, the fact that I can't sleep at night for no particular reason, and even though it's 1 o'clock in the morning. What else is that? So yeah, for me, financial security means everything when it comes to life.
It is.
It controls your happiness in some instance.
It is. We're not saying money is everything. You don't need a lot of money. You just need
Enough to cover
financial security.
Yeah.
That's all you need.
Enough to cover your expenses.
And we just have to live below our means.
But-
and now social media, internet, technology actually encouraging us to purchase a lot more. And all these company, other than credit card or bank, they encourage you to borrow money or split your payment to spend more.
Yeah.
Do we really need it?
Well, that's the thing though. Like all of these videos that we've been creating, it's pretty much the basic foundation of it. So that way you can get the habit, and you don't get, you know, I don't know,
Distracted by
yeah.
whatever what
That's
other
right.
people they're doing. Like yesterday, literally last night I was reading news again. Love to read it. Kylie
Jenner,
yeah, Kylie Jenner. Anyway, the
yeah.
daughter, a few years old, going to kindy, bought a backpack, $16,000. $16,000. I told Ronnie, $16,000. Why do you have to buy that for your kid? Yes, you celebrity, you billionaire. Okay, good on you. Second, why is it on the news? Why is it on the news? Third, why am I reading it?
But it's all perspective though. Like their net
Net worth.
worth is that much. A $16,000 bag
Yep.
equivalent to like 5 cents for an average Joe Blow.
Yeah.
You know, like if your income at the same level as them, it probably can be affordable because that's how much they've been earning in a second or in
Yes.
a day or something.
Yeah.
Like that
Makes sense.
makes sense. But as an average person buying a $16,000 bag that have to take a credit card or a personal loan just to get that bag,
It's just
that doesn't make any
example.
sense.
When I was younger, I was looking all these celebrities of social media. Oh my god, everyone is wearing this Cartier bangle. And I wanted to get it. At one point I really wanted, but it's a few $1,000s. Is it really worth it? I can afford it, but is it really worth it? No, I didn't buy it.
But you gotta value your money though. Some people don't see that. Some people
Yeah.
that the product, whatever that would be, like either the bag or the bangle or stuff like that, they see that as a lot of value. They don't value a lot more the money.
Yeah.
And I guess you need to understand that you need to differentiate. Is it a want? Is it a need? Is it a good value? What is a good value to you? Some people said, well, we just talked to a client. You know, everyone see a value on things.
Yes.
And depending how you
It's
see the
different.
value. But for me, cash is a lot more valuable. Like money is a lot more valuable.
It is your
Compare.
social. It's your financial security.
Yeah.
Not a bangle, because if you want to sell it, let's say you bought it for $5, maybe you only can sell it for $2,000 or $3,000.
There you go. So for some people, like have their own value a different way. So my financial security, the fact that I can access my
Money,
cash,
yes,
you know, instantly and in
Yep.
case of emergency. I don't need all your fancy stuff. I've got clothes, I've got a roof, I can have something to eat. I don't need fancy restaurant. I don't need, well, maybe drive a fancy car.
I think
Yeah.
that's all guys want.
Yeah,
That's all.
from a guy's perspective,
Yeah.
like, you know, gadgets, cars and all that stuff. But even that alone, I don't need to have the best of the best. I buy stuff that is secondhand.
Yeah.
Because I looked at the value of money. I can do a lot of things with money, and I
Yeah.
don't want to spend things that doesn't make any sense.
We just try to stretch our money.
Yeah.
Yeah, spend wisely and use the most of it. Get the best value.
Correct. So financial security on you. What does that mean?
I can sleep at night.
You can sleep at night.
That's
well.
what I say. Yeah, I can sleep at night, and I need my money to grow each month.
Yeah.
We need to have a growth. If you're not growing, then you're going backward. Everyone is going, and you're going to go backward. How can you compete with each other?
Speaking of that, once a month, I mean, today's the 2nd, I mean, yesterday or the day before, at the end of every month,
Yeah.
we actually sit down and calculate every single liquid cash that we have.
Yes.
So where is it? Like, how much is it on
This
cash
bank
liquid, on
and
this
the
bank, that bank?
investment.
Yeah.
Yep. If we sell it now, how much will we get it? I didn't put it in property because can't really calculate. I can't.
We just calculate on how much physical
Liquid.
cash
Yeah.
that we have. We're
Yes.
not calculating like, you know, an equity on our
No.
property. We're not calculating, what else is it? Stuff that we can't touch.
We
So,
can't sell quickly. I'm just talking.
Yeah,
Yeah, liquid.
liquid. So,
And-
yeah, that is giving you an overview of
Or a report
a
for
report of-
your
yeah.
finance.
So companies that do monthly,
Yes.
what is it, sales target, let's say, yeah?
Sales target and also the finance.
Revenue or something.
The
revenue
profit.
target.
Mm-hmm.
They do it every quarter, they do it every month, or if you work in sales, I'm sure you can relate to this, that you got a sales target to meet or a certain every month or every week or every day. Okay, we do the same thing.
Just to keep track, where are we? Are we growing or are we going backwards?
Correct.
If we're going backwards, how can we improve it? What have we done wrong?
And we run our finance exactly like a business. Without our personal finance, if we can't see, if you don't have a clear vision of your finance, then you're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. I think
What about you?
what financial security mean?
Yeah.
The fact that I can do what I want when I want, and I can spend the money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? On
Not
little
when-
things, not on little things, like in life. For example, maybe we don't go out on a coffee. We don't go out to a cafe. We don't go out to a restaurant as much. You know, for example, our date that we're gonna have today. Yay, day. The fact that I can do that on a weekday, that is my financial security, and I would never trade this to going back to like a full-time job.
Yeah.
You need to take care of yourself, not take
Someone
care
else.
of someone else.
Yeah.
So, like in an aeroplane, they mention this is like, you know, in case of emergency, you gotta wear your mask first.
Yeah,
you have to take care of you first, and then before you can take care of other people. Likewise with your finances. My financial security is like I can do stuff that I want, and hence why I'm actually giving you know, all the information that I can think of on this channel. So yeah, take care of your finance, it will take care of you. Yeah?
Yep.
If you take care of your finance, the lifestyle that you have, it is unbelievable.
You can choose what you want.
Yeah,
You don't
it's
have
not
to
a
be
must.
fancy. No, nothing. No.
One of our colleagues, let's say, he said, he always remind me this. He goes, look, you have the option to choose to go to work, whereas most people, they have to, they must.
They don't have the option. Yeah.
They must go to work. So the fact that we have that lifestyle, I'm kind of blessed that
It's
I'm
the
grateful.
flexibility that we want.
Yeah.
And it's not stressful.
Like, this is not for everyone. It's hard work to get up to here. But once you get here, you don't want to go look back. No. It's hard work, but it's only hard work in the beginning, I say. Changing your habit, you know what I mean? Changing your habit, changing your thought process, your mentality, the way you look at things, the way you look at...
Or you don't care about what people think
that's,
of you.
That's
the impression.
100%. Yeah, I don't really care what people think of me.
I used to be, but now I don't really care.
So, 100%.
I think I still care a bit, but not as
much.
Yeah, not as bad as before.
Because I look at it as, why do I need to dress up and buying all of this fancy brand, where I'm the one that is actually gonna be the one that paying the bill?
Yeah, and actually you will spend more time on looking for fashion, and then go to buy and go to try. Once it's done, it's out of date, and then go to change your whole wardrobe again.
Yeah, it's like every 3 months or so. Yeah, every season I'm like, hey, here's a new item. Hey.
Yeah.
I think for guys, it will be, for me anyway, I'm like mobile phone. Every 12 months, you know for sure there's gonna be a new phone. So like it feels like it's out of date. It feels like out of date. So for guys, it will be something like that. I'm sure you guys can relate to this. If you're a guy, if you're a technology guy, then yeah, definitely can relate. But for a girl, it'll be like what? Clothes.
It's
Shoes.
how you dress up. Yes, shoes. Now just
Guys
wear
would be
something
like-
practical, and
Yeah.
I can wear day to day. You don't have to wear clothes anymore. Just jeans all the time.
Maybe shorts and a t-shirts.
Yeah.
And this is, hopefully that helped you guys out. So the aim of this video is like pretty much what is financial security for us.
And what's that mean for you too, right?
What does it really mean to you guys?
Yes. Can you sleep at night? Because of money, it's very stressful. Money can make it or break it, really.
Yeah.
It's not the most important thing, but just without money, there is a lot of argument.
Yeah, we even actually argued.
Yes.
So
we
don't
do.
get us wrong. Like,
Yeah, we
as a
do
married
too,
couple,
yes.
we did argue when it
Yes,
comes
and
to
a lot
money.
of marriage is
Breakdown because of it.
because of money issue. Like they don't agree on something or they don't understand each other, they're not in the same channel.
Alignment with your spouse,
Partner, yes.
your partner is
Really important.
Very important thing.
Yes.
So, anyway,
Hope it helps.
hope you help. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys
Next time. Bye bye.